Hey there everyone, my name is Arielle and I'm here to talk to you about my nail care routine. So honestly, I used to be that person who was always getting her nails done every 2 weeks. So I used to be super on it, getting them done, getting them painted, and doing gel to protect my actual nails. But as we are in this current state of the world where everything is shut down, to be very honest with you, I haven't had much of a routine going. I'm gonna show you what my nails look like right now. So still pretty okay, but nothing like they used to be when I was getting them done pretty regularly. However, today I got a little present. So here it is. I'm gonna open it for you guys to see what's in the box. So here we have a cuticle condition and a serum right here. Okay, we have a nail buffer, a nail file, need this for sure. What's this? Replacement strip set. Okay, so first and foremost, the nail file. Start at the outer edge of the nail at a 45 to 90 degree angle against the edge. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to file my nail as I usually would do. So we're gonna start with this side. That honestly feels great. Okay. That looks amazing already. Okay. And then we're gonna use the white side to buff it out and make it all nice and shiny. Honestly, this is amazing. I don't even know what to say. Guys, can you see how shiny my nail is? Hold on. This is absolutely insane. My nail looks like I have a manicure. It straight up looks like I have a manicure. Everybody needs this. Everybody needs this little kit. It's so easy. Just these two products already are so easy to use, self-explanatory. I'm gonna use this cuticle condition serum. Just a little bit. See, just like that, I'm just using a little bit of the serum. Gonna massage that in. It's super light, doesn't feel like heavy on my nail or on my skin even. Smells great. This honestly makes it look like I have a manicure.